Some friends like to get together and talk. Some like to train. Some friends used to train together when they were friends 30, 40 years ago. They like to get back together and talk and watch each other train. Believe it or not, I'm 72 years old in this video. That's me that just fell down. That's my dad right there. He's 98. He still trains. Yeah, training keeps you youthful, and that's my best buddy growing up. He's 73 years old. Anyway, there's Tony. He's my student.
Well, that's, you know what that means, though. Winter's pretty much a wrap for Utah.
Kind of turning my shoulders.
77. Right, check. Okay, and for me,
because my hips are free. And then
so when I feel this, I'm trying to get my hips behind me.
Yeah, and then it just really frees up this arm. You see, now I'm free.
Nice.
Nice.
There's nowhere to escape.